Hi, this is Arlen Donaldson, real estate agent here in Dallas, Texas. So you see that beautiful home? That is a trophy home here in Princeton, and that is also a model home. So Meritage also are coming, and this is really like literally close to Walmart. So that's the house, and I'll tour you around inside, and I'll just check how pretty this house is. Okay, let's go quickly. This pretty house, okay? Let's do it. I'll just do a quick video, okay? So that is their office. Very pretty house. If you are looking for this house, buy a house in Princeton. This is beautiful. Kitchen gray and white, very open, and this is less than 500,000. I think this is only 450. So this beautiful two-story house, you can see there. Pretty, right? Look at the backyard. Not all the backyard are like this, but this is nice. Flooring. Let's go. And also for all my followers, a design of the house, right? So thank you for watching. You can share this one to your friends that looking to buy a house. You can help me too, and so I can. So this is the bathroom. Very pretty. Can help me, and also thank you for your referral. Appreciate it. Appreciate your help for me and my business too. Let's go upstairs. It's two-story, beautiful house here. I think this is Stanley. It's a house. Beautiful. They have a game room. They're looking for a game room. Office, you can do the same. Office or game room, you can do that. So another room, another room, another room. So thank you so much. If any one of you, I will sit down here. Any one of you looking to buy a house here in Princeton, Texas, or just get out in Frisco or any tropic area that you have, give me a call and love to guide you. Okay? Wait, I'll turn around. How pretty that one. Thank you so much. Have a great day.